Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to add discount price on Shopify. Firstly, from your admin dashboard, click Products in the left sidebar. You'll see a list of all your products. Just click on the product you want to apply the discount to. If your product has variants, choose the specific variant you want to edit. Now scroll down to the pricing section and in the Compare at Price field, enter the original price. Now in the Price field, enter the new discounted price. Then click Save at the top right of the screen. Now go to your storefront to make sure products now displays the original price crossed out and the new discounted price beside it. If your product has multiple variants, you'll need to set the Compare at Price for each variant individually. It won't show up at the main product level. And you can use this feature with Shopify's automatic discounts or sales collection to run promotions more efficiently across your store. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks like this.